48.93 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under India's nationwide vaccination drive. But let's get you India's latest COVID numbers now. India reporting 42,982 new cases in the last 24 hours. There have been 533 deaths also in that period. Sonakshi joining us with the latest on that. Sonakshi, even as we report on these daily numbers, what is the big picture currently? What are experts saying about a possible third wave?
Absolutely, Ankita. With the numbers, to just focus on that first, the country has reported about 42,000 new COVID cases, slightly marginally higher than yesterday. But that being said, the Kerala, which has emerged as the #1 hotspot of the country, has reported at least 22,000 new cases. But remember, the country's positivity rate still stands at 2.58%. But that being said, Maharashtra continues to be the state with the most number of cases, which has reported at least 6,000 cases, and Uttar Pradesh, which is the most populous state, has reported about 61 new COVID cases. Now, Karnataka, amongst the other states, of course, is one of the top 3 states in the country with a high number of cases. But speaking about what the experts or what the government has to say, they've already said that there could be a possible third wave. There was always a caution about that. But the government has also gone on to say that the second wave is still raging, so the people must be careful about that. So yes, the cases in the country have been in about the 40,000 range for the last few weeks. But yes, the warnings and the cautions still coming our way from experts and doctors, talking about the second wave that is still raging amongst many, and of course a possible third wave coming our way.
All right, thanks very much indeed, Sonakshi, for those details.